Cargo Mates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's episode, I'll be doing a comparison video between these two sunscreens. These sunscreens are from Fairy Skin. Ito yung original na sunscreen nila at ito yung new release product nila. I know these products are super trending sa TikTok, and if you're eyeing for this sunscreens and you would like to know the differences, then you have to keep on watching. But before I start, I just want to say thank you for those of you who just recently subscribed and watched my latest episode. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate the love and support. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Gla, and if you find my content interesting, we share the same passion, I hope you consider in subscribing and hit that bell button so that you won't have to miss any of my episodes. Disclaimer, Glammates! So, pagpasensya nyo na yung face ko. Nag-skincare lang ako kasi plano ko itatry natin to ng sabay mamaya. So, hayaan nyo na. And also, if you're looking for an in-depth review of these items, I have separate review of these sunscreens. So, yeah, I talk about the price, packaging, main ingredients, benefits. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box just in case, you know, hindi ko masabi dito sa video na to because I'll be talking about the similarities and differences. For sure, nandun yun. Okay? So, let's get started. And by the way, itong original, binili ko pala sa Lazada, isa sa mga retailers nila. And then this one naman, since pina-follow ko sila sa IG, clinic ko lang yung link doon and I was routed to Shopee. So sa Shopee ko naman to binili. Okay, this one cost 190 pesos plus local shipping fee. And this one, I got it noong introductory price nila, 279. But right now, it retails for 299 pesos. Now, nung na-receive ko siya, ganito lang talaga, no box and no net or yung mesh nakasama dito. This one naman, ayan, meron siyang box na talaga, plus meron siyang net bag na pwede nyo ilagay dito yung product. Pero pinaglagyan ko siya na brush. Next, product container. So, itong original, yung shape niya is like an elongated oval na shape. And then dito sa taas kong mansanas to, para siyang may kagat. So, may curve. Yan. And then, this one naman, very edgy as you can see, obviously. And sabi nga nila, tapos na sila sa curvy, dito naman sila sa edgy. Yan. And yung color niya is light pink. And makikita nyo sa loob, guys. So, gamit na gamit, paubos na. Yan. And this one naman, actually, siguro, once or twice ko pa lang itong nagagamit. So, medyo full pa yung laman nito. Yan. And yung color ng product container is nude beige. Yan. At yung kanyang font, white sa harapan at sa likod. This one too, yung font color niya is white as well, and then as well as sa likod. Yung main ingredients, I'm not gonna talk about it kasi nandun yun sa in-depth review ko of each sunscreen, but both are aqua-based. Both products are broad spectrum, parehas ng SPF, SPF 50. However, in terms of PA rating, dun sila nagkatalo. Yung PA rating nito is 3 lang, PA+++, while this one, 4. PA++++. And also, ito, meron siyang kasamang or kiniklaim na anti-invisible light sa mga infrared and other harmful rays na hindi nakikita ng naked eye. While this one, wala talaga. In terms of finish, ito, ang kiniklaim nito is Korean glass skin finish. While this one naman, pretty much the same but more on mattifying but glowing. Okay, and also, nakalagay dito yung sa product details, parehas na 50 grams. So, yon. What else? In terms of sa container pa din, screw cup. Yan, parehas na screw cup, guys. And yung container, parehas na plastic. Now naman, naglagay lang ako ng konting product for you to see. Ayan, watery yung consistency ng original sunscreen. This one is yung white. Yan. And yung nude beige naman would be the tinted sunscreen. Ayan, nandito na siya. As in, yung isa hindi bumababa talaga, oh. Yan. But this one, watery. So, i-ano ko lang, guys. Isa-swatch ko lang. Yan. para sila na madaling ma-absorb ng skin based dun sa aking review. Yan. And then, ito naman is that nude beige. And one of the differences as well is ito, yung tinted sunscreen. Well, from the word itself, tinted, may extra coverage. Well, this one, pwede lang siyang maging parang primer or base mo. Yan. So, ganyan ang kanyang consistency, guys. Although this one, it's not runny or hindi siya watery, but still, kapag in-apply mo, guys, para pa rin siyang watery yun. Which is kasi para silang water-based, which I like. Sinom ko kayo, guys, kasi ilalagay natin tong dalawang sunscreen sa mukha ko. Yung kalahati original, yung kalahati naman premium tinted sunscreen. And also, itetest natin siya under makeup kung sino bang mas oily, ano yung mas maganda, sino yung pakak, nagstay pa rin, ganun. Although may idea na ako kasi nagamit ko na silang dalawa, but I want to try it again with you para makita nyo din, diba? Okay, let's go ahead and start. So, dito, sa part na to would be the original. And then, again, di na ako gagamit ng two-finger method. Ilalagay ko na lang din siya dyan sa face ko. At nahihirapan akong kunin yung product kasi nga konti na lang siya. So, nasa inyo guys kung gusto nyo gumamit ng two-finger method So, normally kasi, di ba kalahati nga lang yung ilalagay ko. And sabi ko kanina, skincare lang yung mga nilagay ko dyan. Like, moisturizer and serum. Yan. Yung amoy niya guys, walang alcohol, ganon. Yung peg, but merong konting amoy. Ang dami ko palang nilagay kasi half lang. Normally kasi sa buong face, pero nalimutan ko pala na kalahati lang. But anyway, sayang naman yung product ilagay ko. So yan guys, diba? Oh, walang white cast, like watery, and ayaan nyo lang siya like a couple of seconds probably, kasi na-try ko naman to, mabilis siyang ma-absorb ng skin. Wala talaga tong white cast. Ayan kahit na mag-build pa ako, kahit madami akong ilagay. Ayan, diba? No white cast. Yan. Make sure lang na lahat nalagyan and even yung leeg, syempre. Kahit nga ears, pwede. Ayan, ilagay natin kasi nasobrahan ko yung product sa ears. Kasi natatamaan din naman yan ng araw. Yan. So, that's the half. Ang kiniklaim nito, dewy finish. So, huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga chismis ng face ko. But yeah, yung kiniklaim nito is Korean finish. Ito yung meron and ito yung wala. And yes, may difference naman guys. Ito may parang redness and parang mas oily. But this one, medyo na-mattify niya ng konti and may glow. Next would be this tinted sunscreen. And maraming nagkiklaim na may white cast daw to. And yes, I can say, alam ko na yung ibig nilang sabihin. Nung in-apply ko kasi to, sabi ko walang white cast dun sa review ko. Pero, nung ginagamit ko na siya, like, nung pangalawang beses, nung tinanay ko siya ulit, kapag nasobrahan mo guys, may tendency talaga siya na parang, may parang feather-like or may particles. But tignan natin ngayon. Ayan, konti lang din kasi nilagay ko, pero wala naman. Pag nasobrahan talaga guys, and make sure na kapag gamit nyo to, hindi kayo naglagay na ng powder. Kasi syempre, bago kayo maglagay ng powder, sunscreen talaga muna. Ayan. So, yeah, wag nyo lang tong dadamihan. Otherwise, may para siyang, paano ko ba explain? Para siyang may particles na parang skin na tupi-tupi. Parang ganon. Hindi ko ma-explain. Pero right now, wala siyang white cast. Kasi konti lang yung nilagay ko. Like, pea size. Ganyan. So, this is the tinted sunscreen. Yan. And ano ba yung difference? Parang mas, mas glowy or mas dewy dito. Although, kiniklaim din kasi nito is may pagka-dewy, pero more on mattifying but glowing yung peg nito. But this one, ito yung dewy. Yan. And yes, mas dewy to, yeah. Although, baka sa light ko lang. Tignan ko, ha. Yan. Ayan. Masyado namang, yan yung natural, natin, light. Sun lang. Yan. This one is the original and this one naman is the tinted sunscreen. And kiniklaim ito medium coverage but I guess not. Sinabi ko na rin yan na hindi to medium coverage. Kahit na siguro mag-build ako ng mag-build, hindi niya makukuha yung medium coverage. More on sheer coverage siya. Yan. Parang parehas nga, Yeah, nag-a-adapt to sa skin. So, parang wala siyang masyadong, nandyan pa rin, nakikita pa rin yung redness. That's why, well, mamaya ko na sasabihin yung verdict ko. But anyway, ganun siya. Yun yung itsura niya sa natural light. Now, ang gagawin ko, magme-makeup ako. And, i-update ko kayo mamaya, okay? I'm done doing my makeup. So, yan na siya. So, huwag yung kakalimutan. This one is the regular or the pink sunscreen. And ito naman yung kanilang tinted sunscreen, which is the nude beige. Okay? And right now, it's 3:30 p.m. Mamaya i-update ko kayo. Dito sa province, like talagang fresh air lang talaga, walang aircon dito. So, kung pagpawisan man ako, at least, diba, mas malaman natin. And by the way, both sunscreens are lightweight. Yan. And madaling ma-absorb din ng skin. In fairness naman sa kanilang dalawa. I'll see you in a bit. Hi, Glammates! I'm outside actually and it's already 4:45 na, no? Okay, so parang 1 hour and 15 minutes ang nakalipas. And kanina hindi ko siya nasabi. Meron siyang mga small particles. Parang yun yung sinasabi nila na white cast. At ayan, pinagpapawisan din ako. So, I'll update you again later, okay? But okay pa naman siya. Hi, roommates! Another update, and probably this would be the last. It's already 7:39 p.m. Yan. So, more than 4 hours na. And yeah, yung test na to, gusto ko lang malaman kung sinong mas oily. Although, I'm expecting na mas oily or magiging oily talaga dito sa side na to, yung original na sunscreen, yung premium brightening sunscreen, yung color pink, because yung finish nun is Korean glass skin dewy finish, ganon. Unlike this tinted sunscreen, ang kiniklaim niya is mattifying. So I'm expecting na mas oily dito, which is actually yes naman, pero hindi sila nagkakalayo. Actually, kung hindi mo tititigan or titigdan talaga na i-check, like, hindi mo mapapansin, pareha silang oily. Look, like dito sa forehead, dito sa under eye, sa nose, lalo na sa nose, and dito sa baba, yan. And by the way, wala na akong lipstick, hindi na ako nag-retouch, like hindi talaga. Yan na talaga yan. Pinagpawisan na ako kanina and all. Kumain kami kanina, nagmerienda and nag-dinner. So, ito talaga, hindi rin ako nag-blot. So, yan talaga. So, makikita nyo na oily. Yung packiness, well, hindi. In fairness naman sa dalawang sunscreen na to, no, ng Fairy Skin, hindi siya malagkit kahit na pinagpawisan ako. And probably kapag natuyo yan, hindi talaga siya malagkit. So now, if I'm going to choose which one, I'll go with the brightening sunscreen, which is yung original. Number 1, because same sila, broad spectrum, although mas mataas lang yung PA rating ng tinted sunscreen, but hindi nagkakalayo. Even though tatlo lang yung plus niya sa PA rating, mataas pa din yun. And besides, the SPF is 50. Second, mas mura siya. Para sila na 50 grams, but the original, it costs 190 pesos. The other one costs 299. Well, probably because yung kiniklaim nun is tinted sunscreen, may extra coverage to medium, but hindi kasi hindi ko makuha yung medium coverage. I feel like parehas lang sila na sheer coverage. And I like this one kasi talagang may dewy effect. Mas nababrighten niya yung skin ko, to be very honest. Mukha lang walang pinagkaiba, but dito mas parang mas fresh. Although tanggalin nyo lang yung yung oily effect, mas bet ko yung niya, yung effect niya kahit na pinagpawisan ako or nag-oily na ako. Kung makikita nyo yan, oily talaga dito, pero oily rin naman dito sa side na to. So parang walang pinagkaiba. Next would be, in terms of formula, mas gusto ko yung pink pa din. Kasi hindi ko napansin na meron siyang parang nagbubuo-buo. Hindi ko mapakita kanina sa camera, pero meron talaga, like mga small particles, ganyan. And probably that is white cast. Although hindi siya literal na parang film, na parang white, pero may buo-buo siya na ganong dito sa skin nung in-apply ko yung powder. So, hindi ko bet. Unlike dito kasi wala. So, maganda yung formula nung original or nung pink. So, yeah, that's it. Yun yung mga reason ko why I like the premium brightening sunscreen better as compared sa tinted sunscreen. Although, ang consolation natin sa tinted sunscreen is that meron siyang anti-invisible light dun sa mga infrared and UV rays na hindi natin nakikita. Yon. So that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you find this helpful, you like it, and if nagustuhan nyo, bigyan nyo naman ako ng thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feedback, or even requests, utilize the comment section below. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, I do hope you consider in subscribing before leaving my channel. I hope to see you next time. And Glammates, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!